In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini's new Lyria 3 tool to create custom music tracks for any moment. So you can do this in the free version. It doesn't really matter. So just go to gemini.google.com, and then you're going to see something here that says Tools, where you are normally inserting your prompt. Go ahead and click Tools, and you're going to see something here that says Create Music. It's going to first ask you to pick a track to remix. You'll have some options here to choose from, different genres of music, or you can describe your track here. Once you describe the track that you want to create, as I have here with a text prompt, you go ahead and hit the submit button here. And as you'll see, it'll work on that track and it will create you a 30-second music track using Lyria, which is their new music model within Gemini. Here is what it created for me. Nice little mellow tune here that I can use. If you want to, you can just download this. You can share the track. You can mute it here. Or if you wanted to, you could go to more and you could go ahead and listen from that button there. As with anything in Gemini, you can give it a good response or bad response prompt here, or you can just click redo to see if it'll give you a better result next time. The next prompt that I'm going to give it is I'm going to insert a picture by going to the Add Files button here, and I just click on the Google Photos button here, and it's linked to my Google Photos, and I can choose any picture that I've uploaded there, or you can add files and you can add photos from anything. You can even just drag photos into this prompt. I've also given a text prompt below the photo. I say a nice kids tune that will help them fall asleep, and then I'll just hit submit, and we'll see what it creates for us now. Now, here's what it created. It said, I've created a soothing lullaby to help the little ones fall asleep. So it pulled that from not only my text prompt, but the image that I provided as well. These audio tracks are going to be 30 seconds in duration, and you have the ability to download and utilize them however you want. So if we go here, we can click play and see what it created for us here.
3 little angels on a soft bed, sweet dreams are dancing in your head.
As you can see, this is not just an instrumental, this is also vocals. And if we go to show subtitles, it'll actually show you as I play the subtitles here. And as you can see, it is very relative to the image that I provided it. So there's some pretty cool things that you can create. And the last thing I want to show you is when you open a new chat and you go to the music tool here, the Lyria 3 music tool, you can choose a track here, like this 8-bit track, and you can apply that theming to whatever your text prompt is. So again, a great way to apply a specific type of music to the prompt and get the result that you want. Again, this is free in the Gemini app. You can go to gemini.google.com, log into your Google account, go to Tools here, and then just select the Create Music option here. And there'll even be a button here that says Create Music with a guitar icon. Let me know in the comment section below what types of tracks you've created. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next video.